Okay, after a busy day of cooking, the best bit about a fully automatic cleaning system is you don't have to clean the oven. So as you can see on our new Convotherm Max, we've got a nice dirty oven in there, and we're going to show you the cleaning program. That can be found by the home screen in the water droplets. You can also access it from the menu there. Just by tapping the water droplets, it'll now give you a selection of options for cleaning. You've got cleaning levels 1 to 4. 1 being quite light, heavy being quite intense, and then you can choose between eco, regular and express. In express mode, that is the shortest amount of time, so that's going to give you a 30-minute clean. So if your oven is really, really dirty, you're probably going to go to level 4 and express, and that's going to use quite a lot of chemical. Alternatively, if you've got time and you want to save time, energy and money, you can go to level 1 and eco. At the bottom here, you've got additional features such as steam disinfectant. So again, if you're going to be using sensitive products, whether you're in a hospital, you want to have a peace of mind of sanitizing the cavity, you can use that. And there's a drying stage. So I can quite happily select my different combinations, press the green tick, and it'll start the process. Okay, with Convotherm 4 ovens and cleaning chemicals, the only part of handling you need to do is obviously when you change the canisters. Okay, with Convotherm Clean Forte, this is a pre-mixed solution, so all we need to do is unscrew the top with the wand, okay, making careful you don't take any drips, take away the empty container, and then obviously put in the new container, seal in the cap on top, and that's good to go. The same applies to our care. The only difference here is that obviously unscrewing it, once you've run out of chemical, you'll be taking the concentrate in the 1 litre solution. You'll take off 1/3 as instructed on the bottle and fill it in with 10 litres of water. Once that's pre-mixed, again, place the top on to the canister, and then you're all good to go.